What is up, good people? My name is Danny Reese. Thank you so much for checking out today's YouTube video. In this video, I am going to be sharing my thoughts on one of the wigs from the Janet Lace collection. So if you are interested in seeing my thoughts and opinions on the wig from the thumbnail, stay tuned. Okay, let's just start with the stock card. I'm going to show it to you guys first. That way, if you know you want her, you can just go ahead and have all the information. I'm also going to link the information in the description box, but let's go ahead. So I am trying out Gabriela, and she is from the Janet collection, and she is part of their lace-based deep part wig collection. I have her in the color OET 1B30. Sorry. And this wig claims to be 100% premium fiber. It also says it is heat. Hold on, y'all. Okay, we just gonna have to edit some stuff out. Okay, and this wig claims to be 100% premium fiber, and it also says that it is heat safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So once again, here is her stock card. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's just go ahead and take a moment to get into her cap construction. I do believe that she is a big head friendly wig. I feel like I got a big head, so if I can fit her, it's big head friendly. Alright, so we got 2 combs in the front on either side of the part. 2 combs in the front, either side of the part. We also have a comb at the nape, and then we have our 2 adjustable straps. Now here is your parting space that they are talking about. There's that. You get about 5 inches of parting space going straight to the back. Gabriela is situated for a middle part wig, but you'll see a little bit later that I decided to shift her and wear her as a side part. So here's what she actually looks like. I have brushed her out. I've put mousse in her, and I have worn her for about 2 days. So this is what she looks like once, you know, the curls have kind of broken up and I've applied some products to her. And that is what she looks like. As far as density goes, I think she's cool for every day. I'm not going to say you get a whole bunch of density, you know, but I wear wigs every day, so I kind of like it when it's more of an everyday wig, and for me that kind of equates to less density. I don't know why that works for me, but the less dense the wig is, the more everyday I believe it is. So next time you see me, I will have her on. I'm going to show you guys how So this is what Gabriela looks like on. Again, she is supposed to be worn as a middle part. I went ahead and shifted her just because that's my personal preference. I really enjoy a side part. These are your curls. So if you like curls, she's for you. So here go my final thoughts. If I had gotten her in a natural color, I would probably be in love with this wig. You probably wouldn't be able to tell me too much in this wig. I probably look at you like, you see this wig, don't you? You know what I mean? Like, I would pretty much be feeling myself. Because she is this brassy, brown, rose gold kind of color, I'm kind of just not able to feel her. I don't think she complements my skin well. That's not to say that it won't work for somebody else, or if you like this color, I say go ahead and give it a shot. So my final thoughts are, again, this is a really nice beginner friendly wig. I think it's an everyday wig. You don't get a whole lot of density, but for some people that's fine. A lot of people don't want to be hot or weighed down by a wig. I will say she is so She is so light, like it doesn't even feel like I have a wig on. Again, that probably relates back to the density and how I would describe her as a low to natural density. Again, I will link her in the description box. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about this wig. Let me know if you're going to try it out. Let me know if it's a no for you. And then the wig I had on earlier, if you want some information on that, go ahead and let me know, and I'll be sure to do a video on that wig if you guys are interested. Until the next video, let's just be good to one another. Can we please be good to one another? Can we uplift one another, and can we support one another? I don't want to go on a rant, but there are so many of my friends who have businesses and ventures and things that they're interested in, and if we would just support one another, there's enough space at the top for all of us to win. So like I said, let's just be good to one another, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.